Not gonna light the fireworks.
I best do it because you're gonna mess it up. Right then, Liza, you ready?
At least we got 2. Stand back.
Yeah. Look at our firework. New Year 2021.
No, they didn't.
In the year of 2020, a new virus came our way.
What's this?
The documentary.
Old habits became extinct and they made way for the new. And every simple act of kindness was now given its due.
Happy New Year song.
Based at the Excel Exhibition Centre in London, was constructed in just 9 days.
Buildings were lit up in blue, the colour of the NHS.
Yeah. What are they doing? The angel?
This is like
Is that fireworks?
yes, light.
How have they done that?
Projector.
No, that's
That's not projector.
somewhere else. Fire. How have they done that? Balloons. That's big. That's bigger than the exhibition centre. How did they do that? Lasers. Must be laser. Happy New Year, Anika. Happy New Year, Zara. Happy New Year, Summer. Happy New Year, Liza. Happy New Year, Buddy. Say Happy New Year then. Happy New Year, Christmas tree. Happy. Oh, buddies have gone to sleep. Yeah, it's lasers. They don't even lasers. It's lasers. No, it's powerful lasers. That's how I think they've done it.
Last year, the virus went out for the
Captain Tom Moore set out to raise £1,000 for the NHS. He's raised just a little bit more than that.
He's a 99-year-old war vet. He's a one-man fundraising machine.
They're covering the virus year. End of the virus year. Captain Tom. Attention! Left, right. Oh look, he's raising his hand. Thank you all very much. What about Boris Johnson when he said, "Hi guys, I'm doing fine. I'm absolutely fine. Hi guys, I'm just popping into intensive care for a couple of weeks." You should mention that.
We're living in a world now where working from home, that teleworking phenomenon.
That's what I've been doing for 15 years.
Just join you into the meeting. Yes.
I've been working home for 15 years.
No, you're on mute.
YouTube. They gotta mention YouTube.
Consultants as well as cleaners. The helping hand.
Happy New Year. Say Happy New Year to your subscribers. Annie?
The future holds
Happy New Year to subscribers, Liza.
Happy New Year, everyone!
the progress.
From the Walayat, crazy Walayat family.
Progress follows fast.
This
Black Lives Matter.
What's that supposed to be?
Black Lives Matter.
Black Lives
Oh yeah, but it's supposed to be. Oh, it can't be black, can it? Because it won't show. What about Trump? They gotta show Trump. Yeah. But like the miracle, the virus will go away like a miracle. They gotta show that. Trump, the virus will disappear by Easter like a miracle.
We can make the new year a year of hope.
Is that the, what do you call the shard? Well, they painted the bridge. You should have gone.
We made it extra special. People look at the windows. I like it, like a rainbow.
Happy New Year, everyone. All of you made it into 2021. Go, Liza. Together. No, let her. All together.
We'll do it together now.
Happy New Year, everyone. From the NHS. I thought they weren't going to do fireworks.
Air pollution.
They said they weren't going to do fireworks. What about the tears? They're going to show the tears. It's not over yet. Year's over, but the virus isn't gone. There's worse to come. Next 6 weeks are going to be the worst.
Imagine if I was doing this right now. That would be
More. That'll cost more than $1 million. $1 million doesn't get you anything these years.
It's so negative, just watch it.
So negative. Just watch it. You didn't pay for it. Some of you like as though you paid towards it.
No, they need the money for the NHS.
What? Wait.
5 minutes
Happy New
Chuckle.
Year. Our planet is unique,
This is David Attenborough.
That's the budgie.
beauty and wonder.
Is that David
Also fragile.
Turtle?
With a new year
that's
comes the
just
opportunity for
documentaries.
change.
They just
And
came
if we
on.
act in
Too late.
2021, we can
It's
make
too late for
a
climate
difference.
change.
Together, we can turn things around.
It's too late.
Together, we can restore our fragile home.
We have to go and live on Mars now.
New year for all the inhabitants of planet Earth.
David Attenborough's always going to be so negative.
That it. What's this?
Welcome back. Man, look at us.
Well, that's it.
Everyone, everybody. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Good. I hope you're feeling good.
I don't know who she is.
Bringing health.
Do you know who she is? Do you know who she is, Zara?
TV presenter.
No, I've never seen her before.
Good year. Hope they have music. I want to sing this song.
Some singer.
This is
Fireworks.
Air pollution.
Stop being miserable. Do you like the fireworks, Liza?
Yeah.
Put the phone down. I see you. Right, come on, let's just do it then. Oh, what's that up there? Look. Can you see something? No, there, the orange thing. It's not, it's a lantern.
Chinese lantern. So negative all the time.
That's a Chinese lantern full of coronavirus.
Not gonna light the fireworks.
I best do it because you're going to mess it up. Right then, Liza, you ready?
At least we got two. Stand back.
Yeah. Look at our firework. Whoa.
Where's it gone?
Yeah. Where's the other one? Come on. Why did you run off? It's only a firework. Look at them, they all ran off.
how we're gonna do our other fireworks.
You want to put it in, Annie?
No.
Right then, here we go. Let's put it in. Right. Yeah, finally. That was a massive firework. Yeah, it was a massive firework. Was it the biggest firework you've ever seen? Eh? So that was New Year 2021. 1st of January. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You like the firework?
Yeah.
Oh look, someone's shooting up. Fireworks over there.